Good morning students. Today we will start with new lesson. Yesterday we completed these and those. These are the words. This is the word which is used for plurals which are near. Those is the word which is used for the plurals which are far away from us. Okay. And we did some fill in the blanks also yesterday. 7 to 8 fill in the blanks also we did yesterday on the board. Today we are going to start with new lesson, he, she and it. What is there in this lesson? He, she and it. Here it is told that look at the pictures. Mohan is a boy. The girl is running. The cat is asleep. Okay. 3 examples are given. What is given? 3 examples are given. Mohan is a boy. Second, the girl is running, and last one, the cat is asleep. Now in these 3 sentences, instead of Mohan, what we can say now, Mohan is a boy. Now instead of Mohan, what we can write down? He is a boy. He is a boy. The girl is running. Now instead of the girl, what we can write down? She is running. She is running. Here, the cat is asleep. Okay, the cat is asleep. Now you know what whether that cat is he or she? Do you know what whether that cat is he? Is he muscular gender or is he feminine? If is that cat masculine gender or is that cat feminine gender? In Marathi you call it Purlinga आणि Srilinga. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का ती कोणता लिंग आहे? No. So at that time when you don't know gender of लिंग म्हणजे काय इंग्लिशमध्ये जेंडर, वेन यू डोंट नो जेंडर ऑफ अ पर्टिक्युलर animal, or you don't know gender of a particular bird, when you don't know gender of a particular what we call insect, okay, any living thing, when you don't know gender of a living thing, at that time you have to write down it. Now the cat is asleep. Now what you can write down? It is asleep. What you can write down there? It is asleep. Now it is asleep means what? You don't know whether it is masculine gender or whether it is feminine gender. So what you have to write down there? Instead of writing he, she, you have to write down it. And now keep in mind the words which are used instead of noun. Mohan is what? Noun. Noun means what? Name of a person. Girl is what? Noun. Cat is what? Noun. Name of a animal. The words which are used instead of nouns are known as pronouns. Okay. The words, I am giving you one sentence. The words which are used instead of noun, the words which are used instead of nouns are called pronouns. What they are called? They are called pronouns. Understood? Then which are pronouns? I think so I have taught you or not, I don't know, but there are pronouns like I, we, you, he, she, it and they. You have to say like this: I, we, you, he, she, it, they. पाठ करायचे हैं. You have to learn it. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. 1, 2, 3. Now these are same. So only one time we will count it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there pronouns. Okay, now keep in mind only these 7 pronouns. Like that, many are there that I will, when you will go in second standard, third standard, you will learn them. But keep in mind there are 7 pronouns. In first standard, you learn only 7. And if you want to keep them in mind, what you have to say? You have to sing a song. Okay, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay, again, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. And from that 7 pronouns, we are studying which pronouns? 3 pronouns, he, she and it. Okay, instead of nouns, instead of name of a person, place, animal, bird, thing, we use some other words. They are he, she, it, and these words are known as pronouns. Okay, more in detail about pronouns I will tell you in Thursday's period. Okay, but today what you have to do is you have to write down this 3 times at least in your English notebook. Okay, write down this, because you should know. If I'll ask you, students, come on, tell me pronouns, which words are pronouns, then you should be able to tell immediately. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. You have to learn only this much today. This is very much important. Learn this much today. This is your work for today. Understood? This is your homework. Write down it 3 times in your English notebook. Okay. Now it is grammar book, but you can write down this pronouns in your English notebook 3 times as a homework. Okay. Thank you.